Get ready to uncover the secret of parts of speech in a super simple way. Whether you are a grammar guru or just curious about how language works, this video for you. Nouns, the naming star. Imagine a world without names. It's be confusing. Nouns are like name tag for everything around us. People, place, things, even ideas are also nouns. For instance, dog, beach, and freedom are all nouns. They are the building block of sentence. Verbs, action heroes. Now add some action to your sentence. Verbs show what's happening. When you run, sing, or think, you are using verbs. They give life to your sentence and tell us what's going on. Adjective, the descriptive paintbrush. Ever wanted to add some color to your sentence? Adjectives are here to help. These are like descriptive paintbrush that adds details to nouns. If something is shiny, huge, or delicious, those are adjectives, making your sentence vivid. Adverbs, the time travelers. Need to know when, where, and how something happened? Adverbs are your time travelers. They modify verbs, adjective, and even other adverbs. If you quickly run or if you are very happy, those are adverbs showing us more about the action. Pronouns, the sentence savers. Using the same nouns again and again can be tiresome. That is where pronouns come in. Words like he, she, it, or they replace nouns to keep sentence from getting repetitive. Preposition, the position pointer. You want to describe where something is. Prepositions are like your GPS. Words like on, under, beside show the relationship between object and their position. Conjunction, the sentence super glue. Bringing sentence together is like cropping a puzzle. Words like and, but, because connect ideas, making your writing flow smoothly. Interjection, the emotion exploders. Sometimes emotion burst out of us like fireworks. Interjection are those emotion exploders. Words like wow, oh no add excitement or emphasis to your sentence.